If you often end up with leftovers of last night's kajal on your waterline, start with a proper cleanup using an earbud and any makeup remover to give yourself a clean canvas. If you skip this step, you'll end up with layers and layers of old kajal on your waterline, and that's basically an invitation for eye infections. Choose your fighter wisely. The wrong product can give you side effects like panda eyes, disappearing kajal, or the most dreaded red watery eyes. Pick a slim and waterproof twist-up kajal for the most precise strokes. And choosing a vegan and cruelty-free product will keep your precious eye sets safe. My one tip would be to just avoid those pencil kajals that need constant sharpening, plus they're really smudgy when you get to applying them. Line the inside of your waterline by pulling down your skin very slightly. Doing this will free you from the Monjulika look. Now you've got a clean kajal application that is in no hurry to run down your face. If you apply your kajal right in the morning and by evening you need to file a missing person report for it, you need to start doing this. Let's go one step ahead and seal the deal by setting this in place with some black eyeshadow and a flat eyeshadow brush. This makes your look super rich in color and also ensures a really long-lasting kohl. Use these tips and rock your bold kajal all day and night long. Thanks for watching and click here to watch more amazing makeup videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another Glamrs update. Check out our range of amazing skincare products on glamrs.com and the Purple app. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.